In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landscape design using Canva. Whether you're a beginner looking to dip your toes into graphic design or someone with experience seeking a quick refresher, this guide will help you easily create a stunning landscape. Don't worry, I'll walk you through each step, and by the end, you'll be more confident in crafting your own designs on Canva. First, let's head over to the Canva homepage. You'll want to open your web browser and type in the Canva URL or simply Google Canva and click on the top link. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, but if you do, just log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Canva dashboard. This is your creative hub where all the magic happens. It's a versatile platform that offers an array of tools and templates for all your design needs. Now that we're on the dashboard, take a look at the top of the screen and you should see a button labeled Create a Design. Go ahead and click on that. Here, Canva provides you with a search bar and a list of options to get you started on your new project. Since today we're focusing on a landscape design, type landscape into the search bar. What pops up next are the various options tailored specifically for landscape dimensions, but tailored to a number of applications. It's important to choose the option that best fits what you're aiming to achieve, whether it's a printed landscape scene, a digital wallpaper, or any other form of dissemination. Choose the option that aligns with your vision by clicking on it. Once selected, you'll notice the screen will shift to a new workspace dedicated to your landscape design. This is where your creativity can truly shine. Your blank canvas awaits, offering a multitude of customizable elements such as text, images, and shapes. You can easily navigate these elements using the side panel on the left, each categorized for accessibility. One helpful tip here is to make use of Canva's templates, even just for inspiration, if not in full use. They provide a great starting point and can spark ideas that you might not have initially considered. Also, consider trying different background colors or gradients to see what really makes your design pop. Experimentation is key. Once you're satisfied with how your landscape design is shaping up, it's time to wrap things up. After adding your final touches, head over to the top right of the Canva interface where you'll see the download button. You can choose your preferred file format here, whether it's a PDF, a PNG, or whatever suits your project needs. And there you have it. You've successfully created your landscape design on Canva. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on creating landscape designs in Canva. Remember, the more you explore and experiment with the platform's vast resources, the more dynamic your designs will become. Happy designing!